It's Saturday and we're heading to another auction. This one is in Rudyard, Michigan, which is still in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And it's a new auctioneer. Never been to this one before. So it's pretty exciting. And some great stuff in the auction bill that I saw. Actually, I found this one going into a store. It was posted on the wall. So kind of fun to find those old school auction bills still being put up in different places for people who are not totally internet inclined. So that doesn't include me, but yep, let's go to an auction. Let's get on it and get going.
Well, Jen and I, yeah.
I think I am the boss.
Yeah, we already talked about it.
Huh?
That's fine, you've got
I know I'm not.
caffeine.
Good morning.
Yeah, your
morning.
esophagus. Oh, yeah. No. I start choking, it's time to quit. Oh, I know. So I just gave it up.
You'll be 16.
Oh, gnats. I love those things.
Or those, yeah.
Those are...
That other one has to plug in for the hot dogs, too.
Oh, my address, current one's on the back. Sorry.
Stable.
It must be good that
Yeah.
Bumblebee's hanging out there.
Oh, my. Yeah. You're looking for
He's waiting for a hot dog.
Oh, thank you. So I don't forget. Okay. My mind.
Could be the yellow on there. It might attract
Yeah.
him. He ain't gonna get much pollen out of that.
Okay. I think it's gonna go.
Thank you.
Mine's a little bigger.
You got a fan?
Here's my bidder number, 16. Sheds, lady belly? I don't know. Granny blankets and stuff. I don't know if they go for much here at this one. That's cool. Oh, it's an official Garfield. East Wing, USA. Very nice.
I watched that auction.
It's a pretty.
Oh, yeah. They sure restored those like they came out of the package. I got a W30.
I wonder if this is Cutco. Doubt it. I don't believe it.
Oh, yeah?
And we had to jack it up.
KitchenAid.
We get it out of there. Engine speed.
Oh.
And I've had it open for 2 years and Rich was.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I gotta. Then, you know, you get reprobate, you get $2,000 in that, and at the most, all we started running, they make about $3,000. So I don't know. We had a W14, my dad had.
Yeah.
And he had 2 pictures of how small.
Farm wall.
You don't have a rock. I couldn't ever put that W4 in some other stuff. That was not a way. I could expect that. He just so long.
No, That's the only thing I see in that outline.
Homemade Snoopy. YMC. Homelight C5. That's a good one. That's worth $200. It's worth 60. Over 100. That one there could be 75. A couple electric chainsaws, Homelight. Steel trimmer. That one's made in West Germany. Probably worth something. I don't know what that one is.
Hey, we got this water tank right here. Water tank. Oh, we're gonna do that first. Yep. Okay, we're gonna do a pole saw. We're gonna do a pole saw. Cancel the water tank. All right. Who give me 20 bucks? Hey, who give me 20 now? 20 now. Anybody give me 20? Anybody give me $10 on it? 10, 10, 10, 10. Anybody give me 10? Anybody give me $5? $5. 5 now, 7.5. I got 5, 7.5. Anybody give me 7.5? Anybody want it for 7.5? 7.5. Anybody want it? Sold it. $5. Number 4. Number 4. Now we're doing the water tank. Who give me 20 bucks on the water tank? Hey, you give me 20 now, 20 now. Anybody give me 20? Anybody give me 10? 10, 10, 10, 10. Anybody give me 10? Anybody give me 5 on that water tank? $5 for a water tank. 5. Who give me 4? $3. $3 on a water tank. 3, 3, 3. Anybody give me 3? Anybody want it for 3? Anybody want it for 2? Anybody want it? Leave her there.
We're gonna do this.
Okay, we got a one bottom plow. One bottom plow. Who give me 50 bucks on that plow? Hey, who give me 50 now, 50 now. Anybody give me 50? Anybody give me $25? 25. Anybody give me 25? Anybody give me 20? 20 now, 20 now. Anybody give me 10? $10. 10 now, 15 now, 20. I got 15 back there now, 20. I got 15, 20 now, 25. I got 20 here now, 25. I got 20 now, 25. Anybody give me 25? Anybody want it for 25? Sold it. $20, number 23. Number 23. Okay, we're going to choice out on the chainsaws. Any chainsaw here? Who give me 20 bucks a piece? Hey, who give me 20 now, 20 now. Anybody give me 20? Anybody give me 10? 10, 10, 10. There's some nice old ones. There's an old Homelight right there, XL12. 5 now, 10. 5 now, 10 now, 15. 15 now, 20. 20 now, 25. 25. Choice out. 25 now, 30. 25 I got now, 30. 30 now, 35. I got 30 now, 35. Anybody give me 35? Anybody want it for 35? Sold it. $30. How many you want, Caleb?
Hey, give me the one.
He just takes one. You want any other ones? Start them out at 5. Who give me 5 bucks? 5 now, 10. I got 5 now, 10. Anybody give me 10? Anybody want one for 10? 10 now, 15. 15. 15 now, 20. I got 15 now, 20. Anybody give me 20? Anybody want it for 17 and a half? 17 and a half, 17 and a half? Sold it. $15 to number 16. Number 16, and he takes 1. $15. Let's start her at 5 again. 5 now, 7 and a half. 7 and a half now, 10. 10 now, 12 and a half. I got 10, 12 and a half. Anybody give me 12 and a half? Anybody want it for 12 and a half? 12 and a half? Sold it. $10. How many you want, Caleb?
I'll take 2.
He takes 2.
At what, 10?
Yeah.
23.
Who give me 5 bucks for any of the other ones? 5 now, 7 and a half. 5, 7 and a half. Anybody give me 7 and a half? Anybody want one for 7 and a half? 7 and a half. Any of them there? 7 and a half.
Sold it. $5. Number 16. Number 16.
That one to try.
That one ain't working?
This one's, yeah, it's a little bit,
Yeah. There, now I don't have to talk so loud.
Okay, you took one, eh?
okay.
All right, all of them together. Who give me $5? 5 now, 7.5. 7.5, 7.5. Anybody give me 7.5 now? 10. 10. 10 now, 12.5. 12.5. I got 10, 12.5. Anybody give me 12.5 now? 15. I got 12.5 here now. 15. Anybody give me 15? 15. Sold it. 12.5. Number one. Number one.
Well, I got 2 saws. I didn't get the one I wanted because I wasn't going to pay that much for it.
Number 22. Okay, we'll do the crossing, then we'll do that one. Railroad crossing sign. Who'll give me $100? Hey, who'll give me $100? $100. Anybody give me $100? Anybody give me 50? 50. Anybody give me 50? Anybody give me 50? $25. $25 for the railroad sign. 25 now, 30. I got 25 now, 30. Anybody give me 30? Anybody want it for 30? Anybody want 30 now, 35. 35 to you, sir. 35 now, 40 now, 45. 45. I got 40 behind you now, 45. I got 40 now, 45. Anybody give me 45? Anybody want it for 45? 45 now, 50. 50. I got 45 right there now, 50. Anybody give me 50? $50. Sold it. $45 to number 17. Number 17. Now we're doing the the other railroad sign.
Railroad crossing.
Who give me $50 on that? Hey, who give me 50? No, 50. No, anybody give me 50? Anybody give me 40? 40, 40. Anybody give me $30? 30 now, 40. I got 30 now, 40. Anybody give me 40? Anybody want it for 40 now? 50. I got 40 now, 50. I got 40, 45. 45. I got 40 now, 45. Anybody give me 45? Anybody want it for 45? Sold it. $40. Number 20. Number 20. Number 8. Okay, we got the windows.
2 windows.
2 windows. I have no idea what they are. 30-inch windows, maybe? Looks like we're going to sell them both together. It looks like they're a set.
Yep.
Who give me $100 for the pair? Hey, who give me 100 no, 100 no. Anybody give me 100? Anybody give me 50? 50 no, 50 no. Anybody give me 50? Anybody give me
25.
25 now, 30.
Yeah.
30 now, 35 now, 40 now, 45 now, 50.
Yeah.
55 now, 60. 60 now, 65. Huh?
75.
75 now, 80 now, 85. 85. 85 now, 90 now, 95. 95. I got 90 here now, 95. Anybody give me 95 on the windows? 95, 95, sold. $90, number 16. Number 16.
Very nice one.
Are we having
Yep.
one yet?
I need one for my garage. I saw the other one.
Military tanks right here. While we're selling military, we'll do the German next one. 4 military tanks. Choice out on the military tanks. Who give me $10 a piece? Hey, who give me 10 now, 10 now. Anybody give me 10? Anybody give me 10? Anybody give me 5? $5 a piece on the tank. 5, 5. Anybody give me 5? Anybody want it for 5? Anybody want it for 5? Anybody want it for 5? 2.5? 2.5 now, 5 now, 7.5. I got 5, 7.5 a piece. I got 5, 7.5, 7.5. Sold it. $5 a piece. You want them all?
All of them.
He takes 4.
I don't know.
You want
What you taking pictures about?
I have a YouTube channel. I go to auctions, garage sales, thrift stores, record it. Record going to garage sales and thrift stores.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's fun.
Nice. Yeah, I just wondered if you were newspaper or something.
You know, the thing about auctions, a lot of places in the country, people just don't have live auctions much anymore. You know, or they don't. It's it's really a Midwestern thing.
Yeah. Everybody asked us when we're going computer. I said we ain't. We're too old.
Going where?
Going over the computer. I said we're too old.
Number 20. Okay, we got a scoop. Number 34. What is that? Who give me a $1 bill for this? I don't know what it is. Who give me dollar now, dollar now, anybody give me dollar, anybody want it for a dollar, anybody want it for a dollar? Dollar now two. Dollar now two, anybody give me two? $2? Sold it. Dollar bill number 16. Number 16.
Had to buy it, you didn't know what it was.
I didn't know what it was.
At the auction today, the auctioneer was given this little clay, I don't know, ring holder, whatever, and it's obviously made by a child or a kid, and he was perplexed by it and didn't know what it was, and said, "What the heck is this thing?" And started at $10, then went down to $1, and then nobody bid on it. Well, then I decided, well, what the heck? I'll bid on it, and I gave him $1 for it because he didn't know what it was, and it was pretty interesting. So, will it sell online? I don't know. I might put it up for a few dollars and see what happens, but it's pretty interesting, and it's been fired in a furnace, so it's a real piece of clay and very unique.
There's a bunch of brand new. Who give me $50? Who give me 50? No, 50, no. Anybody give me 50? Anybody give me $25? $25 on the plug. 25. Anybody give me 10? 10 now 15. 10 now 15. Anybody want it? $2.50. $2.50. Anybody want it? 2.5, 5. Who said yeah? 2.5 was it? 5.
What was that, 2.5?
He was at 2.5. I don't care. It really don't make any difference to me. 2.5 now 5. 2.5 now 5. Anybody give me 5? Anybody want it for 5? Anybody want it for 5? 5? 2.5. Okay, we got another quilt here. This comes from Ship to Water? No. No? You done this? No. Tell me something good about it. Oh, pretty.
Lady there with the blanket.
Very pretty. I'll give me 100, anybody give me 50. $25. 25. Anybody give me 25? Anybody give me 10? 10. 15. 10 now 15. Anybody give me 15? Anybody want it for 15? Anybody want it for 15? Anybody want it? 10 now? Oh, $10. Number 2. There's another quilt. We got another quilt here. Another quilt. Ship Shawana?
No.
That was from Ship Shawana. Who give me $50 on it? Hey, who give me 50? No, 50. No. Anybody give me 25? 25. Anybody give me 20? 20. 20. 25. I got 20, 25. I got 25 now 30. 30. 30, 35. 35, 35, 40. 40. I got 35 now 40. I got 35 now 40. Anybody give me 40?
I don't know if they're...
Anybody give me 40? Sold it. 35 to number 31. Number 31. Ship some water?
No, I don't know where that is.
No.
Roger?
Yeah,
Roger. Who give me $50 on that one? Hey, who give me 50? No, 50. No. Anybody give me 50? Anybody give me $25? 25. Anybody give me 10? $10. 10 now 15. 10, 15. Anybody give me 15? 15 now 20. 20 now 25. 25. I got 20 now 25. I got 20 now 25. Anybody give me 25? 25. Sold it. $20. Number 31. Okay, now we got the tank with us. Who give me $5? I got 5 now, 7.5. 5, 7.5. Anybody give me 7.5? Anybody want 7.5? 7.5? Sold it. $5. Number 16. Number 16.
Whoa. Good thing I only paid 5.
Yeah, if you'd paid 6, that would have been
Yeah.
Okay, we got a picture of a soldier. Who give me $5? 5, 5, 5. Anybody give me 5? Anybody want it? 2.5. Dollar bid. 2, 3. 2 I got, now 3. Anybody give me 3? Sold. $2. Number 16. Number 16.
Them go around shot glasses.
I think these are for sticky from sent around, but it does work. You plug it in, it does work. Who give me $300 for it? Nice lathe. It's old. 300. Hey, give me three now, anybody give me 300, anybody give me 300, anybody give me $200. Two. All the tools go with it. Everything goes. $200. Two. Anybody give me 200, anybody give me $100 bid. 100 now, 150. 150 now, 200. Now 250. 250 now, 300. I got 250 now, 300. I got 250 now,
Make metal stuff?
275.
To lay metal,
275.
yeah.
I got 250, 275. Anybody give me 275?
Kind of do tool and die. Yeah.
You can plug it in.
The lathe.
You can plug it in. Plug it in? 250. 275. 250, I got.
Should we stand back?
250.
No, it was running.
Got the Delta.
250. It does work. There you go. 250, 275. 250, 275, 275, 275, 300. 300. I got 275 way over there. 300. 300.
There's the gears.
Sold it. 275 to number one.
You got new glasses again, Mark?
Huh?
You get new glasses again?
Yeah.
What do you do, keep breaking them?
No, I just get blinder.
I go completely blind.
Yeah.
I have the same problem.
16.
16, did you say?
Yep.
Fun.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
In the stack you got 16, 16, 16. Got my girls. One's left-handed and one ain't, so they get them going both ways on me.
What we got cold to drink?
158, please.
158.
I had to go to the bathroom.
Even?
Since you've been in here, in there.
It's even?
Yeah, 158.
Wow. There you go.
And they're
Oh,
great.
here's your pen back.
But
Thank you.
Back me up, and I'm tired of it. I need
All right, we just finished the auction. It's 12:30, so it went like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. I spent $158. Got some stuff, but the big thing is I got 2 windows. I needed one in my garage for the one that hit the tree. So I had to get that replaced, and so getting a window for $45 is an excellent deal. So, and then the other one I will flip on Marketplace and see if I can get somebody to buy it. All right, we're gonna head home and show you.